Did you like canned chicken? It was fat-free. No fat in it. Oh. Oh my. Did you like turkey bacon on your kibble? That's kosher bacon. Oh. Hello. Are you hunting? You look like you're going hunting. Huh? Are you going hunting? Are you still hungry? Oh, wow. That was a loud one. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Okay. Oh my. Is it really hard work eating a cookie? Hmm? Hi. Hello. Oh my goodness.